there are people ranting with a lot of comments about Mega FM. Now, this is not a news, this is a blog, and this is what a vlog is all about. Here is a fact check. The question is Mega FM owned by the community or owned by a private person or is owned by the government? That's the question that people are asking. This has come amidst the sacking of manager of Mega FM, that is a tech hiring, Jovia, which was done by the Uganda Broadcasting Corporation, which is the official media for the Ugandan government. Now, let's go back to a post by New Vision in the year 2005, where they talked about Mega FM. This is it. So the title of the post is Government to Refund Mega FM Shillings 20 million Debt. The post goes ahead. It is by Vision Reporter. You will have the link in the description. You can check in the description of this video if you're using it on YouTube. If you're watching this video from the official hub of YouTube, the link to this post is in the description. You can check it. It was posted on the 6th of September, year 2005. So the details are here. It is by Vision Reporter. State Minister for Information, Dr. James Nsaba Buturo, has said the ministry is preparing to return the shillings 20 million borrowed from the Gulu-based Mega FM. Sometimes this year, there were reports that the Directorate of Information and Broadcasting had been advanced funds by Mega FM radio station. These reports implied that some impropriety on the part of the minister and his office had taken place. That is what he said. He goes ahead to add another statement, another statement has been added in the article of the New Vision, saying, it is true that early this year, meaning 2005, the board of Mega FM radio station took a decision to advance shilling 20 million to enable the Directorate of Information to, among other things, engage services of consultancy firm to define a new role and position of the station in light of new changes that were in the offing, such as establishment of the Uganda Broadcasting Corporation. Mega FM is a community-based radio station owned by the government through the Directorate of Information and Broadcasting in the office of the President. So for those who have been asking and reacting to the news by Acholi Pro Evo TV of the sacking of attack Irene Jovia by Uganda Broadcasting Corporation about the ownership, now you know who owns Mega FM. I'll repeat this statement from the 6th of September 2005, posted on the official website of New Vision, saying Mega FM is a community-based radio station owned by the government through the Directorate of Information and Broadcasting in the office of the President. That's clear. He said the board decision was contrary to press insinuations not solicited for either the minister or his office. Buturo said the directorate would arrange to refund the money to the station, that is the 20 million, in debt. This decision has already been communicated to the chairman of Mega FM, and that